Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you haven't had a chance yet to subscribe, please do down below and like the channel, and don't forget to hit those notifications so you know when the next video will be popping up. Let's talk pads. So here is Iolo, a very Welsh cockapoo, and he has been prepped, and we are now going to be trimming the pads to find and reveal that teddy bear. So let me talk you through how I do this. I first start off at the back of the metacarpal pad. Now I do a straight line across here to reveal the teddy bear ears. My next step then is to scoop in between the digits and the metacarpal pad to really make sure that everything is clear. As I work around my toes, I want to make sure that all the hair within the pad is gone. And if I do have hair dangling over the pad from around the edges, I just skim that off. So I sit the blade against the pads flat and just skim straight off. And if you're struggling to get right in there and scoop out all that hair, I advise that you just gently press on the top of the pad where it's sat in your hand, just to help open the pad up, almost like a flower. And once you've followed these steps, you should reveal a beautiful little teddy bear. Now, all of this has been done with the Expertos on a 40 blade, so the shortest. Isn't that just beautiful? Thanks guys, and see you in the next video.